We're looking at question 31 of winter 22 paper 115054. In the circuits shown, all the cells are identical and all the lamps are identical. The switches are closed. In which circuit are both lamps the brightest? Now, there are two things that we have to look at while determining which circuit is going to work. Number one is this diode. We know that a diode can only work if it's in this direction, which can be called as forward biased. If the current is going in this direction, then it can easily pass through this. So let's look at A first. A is going to travel like this, and if the switch is closed, it is going to travel like this, and no, it cannot go there, so A is wrong. Let's look at B. Yes, it can work. Look at C. No, it will not work. And then we have D. So we have to decide between B and D. This was our first condition. The second condition that we have to look at is whether they're in series or they're in parallel. Why? When we know that when two things are in series, the EMF gets divided, and when it's in parallel, the EMF remains constant, which is to say that if I were to look at B and I say that 6 volts is going to travel, and since both lamps are identical, I know that this is going to get 3 volts, this is going to get 3 volts as well. So they're not getting the maximum EMF, and they want us to find the circuit in which both lamps are the brightest. Now let's look at this. I'll say it has 6 volts, and since they are in parallel, this is going to get 6 volts, this is going to get 6 volts as well. And now if you compare, this lamp out of these two is getting the maximum potential, maximum EMF, so this is going to be the brightest. So both of them are going to be the brightest in comparison to this B. So your answer should be